What's up, everyone at home? It's Ryan Nelson, and you are watching Kern Living. On today's episode, we're visiting the mall, just like everybody else, doing some shopping. But of course, we stopped at the food court and we gotta eat. And we stopped at the Coop 661. They've got great drinks, as you can see, but also they've got great food. So I already put my order in. I know I'm moving a little too fast, but we're gonna get some food and we'll check it out. So the food is finally here. I'm super excited, but I'm also excited because I just learned that this is a family-owned business, and we have the owner, Michelle, with us today. Michelle, how are you?
I'm doing well, thank you.
What inspired you to start the Coop?
Actually, my love for the Nashville hot chicken. You know, it's not very popular here in Kern County, so I had a hard time finding the taste that I was accustomed to. Because same down south, I've tried a lot and I just loved it, and I was like, I have to just create it, and I started making it at home. I've been catering for a few years, so I kind of added that to the menu, and here we are.
And the Coop, again, is a family-owned business. What's it like working with your daughter?
It's actually been a blessing because, you know, she's learning a lot from me, and I'm learning a lot from our youth. It's been a lot of different challenges, and I've learned a lot from them as well.
Okay, now that you all got a good look at what's on this table, we have Gianna with us. We just talked to Mom. You're the daughter of the company, but also you have other businesses. What's that like being a young entrepreneur?
So I started my businesses when I was like about 13, 14 years old during the pandemic, just to make a little extra money, because like I always wanted like just to have my own money, not have to ask my parents for stuff. So I found ways to make my own money while my parents helped me out a lot. They always pushed me to do better. I have one business that I started at 14, and I just started one last month, just a small little flower business, just for some extra money. So
no, that's great. Most kids at 13 are like, I was into the most foolish things in the world. So I'm glad to hear that. That gives me hope in the youth. And also, like Mom said earlier, you make the drinks, you make the sauce. What could you tell us about the drinks that's so special?
So the drinks, like I said, I have my own business. I kind of incorporate some of the things. I let my mom know some ideas that I had. Like I told her we can use fresh fruits for our lemonades, and it'll be really good. I recommend like Red Bull infusions, which is this one, the peach one.
So the Red Bull was your idea?
I told her months ago, but she finally decided to incorporate it in the menu. All the recipes are made with love, pretty much.
Made with love, but also it's a family secret, right?
Yeah.
So somebody comes up and asks, so what's in your mustard that makes it so special?
I don't know what's in it.
No, we have no idea. If anybody wants to follow you all on social media, how can they do that?
Our social media Instagram is the Coop 661. It's on Instagram. I believe Facebook is on Facebook, and I think that's and TikTok as well. The Coop 661.
Okay, and where are you all physically located?
Valley Plaza Mall, food court.
You can't miss it. We're right in the food court. Thank you so much.
Problem.
I can't wait to try these chicken and waffles, and I'll see you all next time.